Hi guys, from Franco, from All for Shooters. Rimfire shooting has grown to become a mega trend in guns and ammunition. In the last year, manufacturers have gone wild, introducing new rimfire guns such as the Glock 44 or the Kel-Tec P17. Rimfire is fun, affordable, low impulse, and accurate. Enter Sellier Bellot new rimfire 22 long rifle ammunition. This line of ammo is manufactured with state-of-the-art technology and the closest tolerances for the best performance. Czech Ammo Company even built a brand new factory with a completely new production technology in order to manufacture rimfire ammunition. 10 rimfire loads are now coming out of Sellier Bellot new manufacturing facility. But in this video, let's concentrate on the new 22 LR Club load. It features a new bullet design with a minimum weight tolerance of just plus or minus 0.02 grams and a shape tolerance of just 1/100th of a millimeter. Bullets are made of graphite-coated lead, and the propellant charge is loaded with tolerances of plus or minus 0.01 grams and plus or minus 0.002 grams for the primer dose. The results are highest possible reliability, uniformity in muzzle speed, and increased accuracy. A 50-round box of the Club rimfire ammo is priced less than €5.50. Keep following us on allforshooters.com.